Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple methods to fix the Microsoft Store not opening issue on Windows 10 or 11. So, let's get started. The first method is to ensure your date and time settings are correct. Right-click on the date and time in the bottom right corner, select Adjust Date and Time. Then go to the Date and Time tab, and enable Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Click on Sync Now and check if the Microsoft Store opens. If that didn't work, try clearing the Windows Store cache. Simply search for WS Reset in the Windows search bar, run the command, and wait for it to reset the Microsoft Store. This often resolves the issue. If you are still facing problem, then use the troubleshoot method. For this, open the settings on your PC, and then go to Update and Security, and then click on the Troubleshoot, and then click on the Additional Troubleshoot. Then scroll down to find Windows Store apps and run the troubleshooter to automatically detect and fix any issues. And there you have it. These 3 simple methods should help you fix the Microsoft Store not opening issue on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.